Hey, water cyclists, and welcome back to the Tabby Show.
Okay. Last week we asked our viewers to send us questions about the water cycle.
On our Twitter, at the Tabby Show.
Most of the questions were from
At Colby Banyard and at Haley Rears.
The first question was from at Haley Rears, and it is, what is the water cycle?
Well, Gabby, the water cycle describes the continuous movement of water on, above, and below the surface of the Earth.
Whoa! Adding on to that question is, what are the stages of the water cycle?
Wow, Gabby, that's an excellent question. There are 4 stages of the water cycle. The first being evaporation, condensation is the second, the third is precipitation, and the fourth is infiltration and collection. Another amazing question was by the user at Colby Banyard, and his question was, what happens in these 4 stages of the water cycle?
Well, Tyler, the first stage of the water cycle is evaporation. When the sun hits the ocean surface, it heats it up. That warmth causes the water to turn into water vapor and rise into the air.
Amazing!
Tyler, I just cleaned up!
I'm ready.
3, 2, 1.
Evaporation.
The second stage of the water cycle is condensation. It is when the hot water vapor rising into the air hits cold air, creating little water droplets. When enough gather together, they create a cloud.
And you're showering.
Condensation.
The third stage of the water cycle is precipitation.
What is precipitation, you may ask?
It is when a cloud has enough water in it to the point where it'll fall under the pressure of gravity. The most common form of precipitation is rain, snow, hail, and sleet. Oh!
Precipitation.
The final stage of the water cycle is collection. It is when the rain that falls from clouds is collected by rivers, oceans, lakes, etc. However, most of the rain that hits the Earth's surface soaks into the soil, creating groundwater. This is called infiltration.
Collection/infiltration.
This next question is by Colby Banyard. And his question is, if water evaporating from the ocean is salt water, then how is it fresh water falling from the clouds?
Well, Gabby, excellent question. The answer to that is that when water is being evaporated from the ocean, the salt cannot evaporate with it. What? Okay. Next question was by a user named at Haley Brears, and her question was, does the water cycle have a starting point?
Good question, Tyler. No, it does not. But most people start with evaporation in oceans because that is where the most of Earth's water is stored.
What do you mean by people start with?
Oh, shut up! Another question by Colby Banyard is, how much water is there on Earth?
Well, Gabby, what an excellent question. About 71% of Earth's surface is water. That is roughly 326 million trillion gallons, which is equivalent to 1,260,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000 liters can be found on our planet. I don't know what that number is. Wow, we are drinking that up very quickly. Next question was Next question was by at Kobe Banyard, and his question was, how much of Earth's water is fresh, and how much of that fresh water do we have access to?
Good question, Tyler. 97% of Earth's water is salt. That leaves us 3% that is fresh. But 2% of that is frozen in glaciers and ice caps. That leaves us less than 1% of access to.
Wow, we are drinking this water right up. Well, Gabby, another great question was by the user at Haley Brewer. And that question was, where does Earth's water come from? Personally, that's mine and Gabby's favorite question. And the answer is?
Earth, starting out, was a globe made of magma, which contains water. Water
Really?
Water set free by that magma cooled down the Earth's atmosphere and then started to rise to the surface as liquid.
Oh my god!
Okay, Tyler, another question is by Colby Banyard, and that is, what is acid rain?
Well, basically, Gabby, acid rain is rainfall that becomes severely acidic from atmospheric pollution. The main cause of this is the burning coal and other fossil fuels, which are combined with atmospheric water. Acid rain is severely damaging to plants and wildlife and affects our Earth's atmosphere severely. That's why us as people have to stop acid rain. Well, Gabby, the 10th and final question we received that wasn't about urine was, is the water cycle changing? This question was both asked by at Haley Breers and at Chloe Banyard. I don't think they have a life.
Yes, as climate change is increasing and air temperatures are getting warmer, more water is evaporating into the air. Warmer air can hold more water vapor, which can lead to more intense rainstorms, causing major problems like extreme flooding in coastal communities around the world.
The water! Gabby! I put cat food in your glass while you were talking. The next question was by a user.
It fell!
Oh.
Oh,
Tyler, you're looking at it. You're like,
It's frozen. It's frozen. It's frozen. None of that is frozen. Frozen.
Stop saying frozen!
the
Oh my god!
sky?
Shut up!
Wow. Ew.
Okay.
Can you put water in our cups, please? Okay.
This water we got from taps.
This is the 1% we, as a community, have access to.
The question hurts. The question